Alright, this is my Springfield XD 3.3 or 3-inch, and as always I carry my 7-round magazine, my standard 7 rounds, it's flush with the magazine well, as you see. Then my reload is extended pistol grip, 1 extra round, 8 rounds. So weapon clear. That's how I carry the magazine loaded in the magazine well. In my left pocket or in my little hidey hole, depends on what pants I'm wearing. Okay, and the draw. These are all going to be face headshots on Magic Mike. So it's a little bit harder to control the short mag. I mean, it's safe. Stay in position. Much better with extended mag. Man, I'm peppering him in the extended mag, right in the nose, right where I'm aiming. I'm kind of all over the place with short mag. My left hand grip. Yeah. Thought so. These 9mm Luger's a little rough on the pistol. They all shoot great. Here's all the short ones, the short mags. It's kind of all over. That's the 7-round magazine. But the extended magazine, where I was able to keep my better grip, I was aiming right at the nose. Look at that. That fucker is dead. Quadruple dick, double dog dick dead. Yeah, it works great. So that's all I'm going to do for today. Had fun. Kind of disappointed the K98 didn't work out. I'll have to learn some armor on those old antique rifles. The P08 was pretty dang good. One malfunction. It's an old gun. It's over 100 years old. My XD, I'm still with it. Don't come at me, bro. Don't come at me. All right, have a good day.